Honestly, don't remember what plants I ordered. Hi gardeners, you guys know I love buying plants online. I pre-ordered these plants last season, so I don't remember exactly what I got, so it's going to be a bit of a surprise. Let's unbox these plants and see what's inside. Have you seen a cuter box of mail-ordered plants? These plants I ordered online from Phoenix Perennials. They're a fantastic mail order nursery. They're here in Canada and they ship all across the country. I absolutely love all of the plants that I've received from them, particularly those blue delphiniums that I bought last year. Oh, so I cannot wait to see what's in here. Honestly, don't remember what plants I ordered. Phoenix Perennials in particular sends really nice care instructions about receiving plants online. So wherever you buy your plants, I'd recommend definitely reading the instructions on kind of how to revive them after you receive them. So the instructions say to please unpack your plants right away. Give them some water if needed, put them in a shaded location for a few days. This is best for all plants, whether they will eventually prefer sun or shade. When you first unpack your plants, they may look a little disheveled or jet-lagged. This is normal. Plants don't really like being shipped in dark boxes. After a few days, they should perk up, look better, and be ready for planting. If any soil has spilled during shipping, you can shake it off the plants or give them a light spray with water to clean the leaves. Remember that plants have a variety of patterns of growth and dormancy that changes through the year. Depending on the time of shipment, you may have different plants at different points in their growth cycle. Some may be in buds, they may be finished blooming, and some may be dormant. I have all kinds of different plants in this order. This one here is a pink tick seed, Coreopsis Shades of Rose. It looks like it's just gonna start blooming here. Oh, Sunsparkler Sedum. This one is Dream Dazzler. I like how Phoenix Perennials reuses plastic bags. Echinacea, Sunseeker's Rainbow. Coneflower that's kind of pink, a little bit of orangey yellow it looks like. This is a sea thrift, but it's got white flowers. It almost looks like an ornamental onion. These four plants look like they're in remarkably good shape. They were shipped 6 days ago, so they look pretty good actually to be unboxing them today. This is a little mini butterfly bush. It's called Little Nugget from the Humdinger collection. This one is a pineapple plant. I've never grown a pineapple plant before, so this will be a new experience for me. That little baby. This is a wasabi plant. This is a new one for me as well. Maybe this is a shade ginger? Yes, this is a silver arrow shade ginger. And more strawberries. This is really the only plant in this order that looks at all jet-lagged from its journey. It'll perk right back up though. Won't get any strawberries from this plant this year, but I hope to next year. This is what dormant plants sometimes look like when you buy them online and they are shipped to your house. This is a nice hardy succulent that'll be perennial when planted outside here. So here is this mail order succulent. These mail order plants definitely need some water now, some light, some air circulation. Let's get them around to the shaded side of the house. All these mail order plants are watered. They're ready to sit in the shade for a couple days here, and then I'll plant them out in the garden. generally order my plants online in the spring and the fall, but there are some plants that you can order in the winter, and definitely seeds in the winter. And in the summertime right now, I'm ordering some bulbs for fall planting. So there's plants that you can order online all time of the year, not just house plants, but also things like spring and fall bulbs or specialty perennials that maybe are only packaged and sold once a year. So I really recommend buying plants online. There are so many different varieties that you can get. Lots of local nurseries ship online. I highly recommend searching out those special varieties of flowers that you really truly love. It's such a joy to finally find a plant that you've been looking for a while. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garden.